MPR, refrigerated centrifuge from MPW Poland. The maximum speed of this machine is 18,000 RPM or more than 24,000 G. The main features of this machine, the most important feature is that the compressor for the refrigeration is at the back of the machine, which requires very less space as compared to any other machine, which is normally the compressor is on the side, which requires lot of space on the bench. So this requires minimal space. Secondly, the ventilation of the compressor is on the top, so any heat dissipated from the machine is not going to affect the any other machine which is at the side of the centrifuge. So that is another advantage, that all the heat dissipated goes up in the air without affecting any of the other machines on the side. Then coming to the main panel, we have a numeric keypad here, which helps in programming all the parameters of the machine. Numeric keys from 0 to 9, and then we have program and the changing key for all the parameters. Then we have a cover if you want to open the lid of the machine during the operation or after the operation. There is a switch for opening the cover. This is a very important key for the short spin or the short centrifugation that you want to do. Start button and the stop button. Coming to the parameters, you can have different programs. Program number is from 1 to 99. Different programs you can store. This shows the speed of the machine as of now, which is showing 6,000. We can increase or decrease the speed from these two switches for decreasing and for increasing the speed. Similarly, for the time, we can have increase or decrease in time. Then we also have an option of pre-cooling. Pre-cooling option is available, which takes the machine to 4 degrees within 10 to 15 minutes. And it also has an option of post cooling, wherein after the centrifugation is done, the machine or the centrifugation is maintained at that temperature after the centrifugation is over. Then this is the rotor. We have different rotors available here, which on the each rotor the catalog number of the rotor is mentioned. What is the maximum G value it can withstand, and what is the maximum RPM it can go up to. So this particular is for 1.5 ml rotor. Similarly, we have rotor for 15 and 50 ml centrifuge tubes, and with different adapters. The machine is very soundless, vibration free. And another part of the machine is that at the back end of the machine we have a RS-232 port, which helps it to connect with the computer or any external printer that might be available. All the parameters can be recorded and saved and printed through the PC from the machine. Another advantage of this machine, it has 10 acceleration and deceleration curves, which helps in smooth the functioning of the rotor and smooth increasing or decreasing of the speeds. That's all about it.
रन 3 मिनट का है.
इसमें एक तो पॉइंट मिस हुआ है. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इसमें एक है कि ड्यूरिंग द रन